Hi everyone. Today, I would like to discuss about polystyrene. Polystyrene is one of the most widely used plastics. The scale of its production has increased from 300,000 tons per year to 1.8 million tons per year. How does polystyrene form? Polystyrene is a synthetic aromatic hydrocarbon polymer made from the monomer, known as styrene, and it will undergo additional polymerization. The polymerization is initiated by a free radical mechanism, and diperoxide is used as an initiator for the reaction as it has peroxy group. In the polymerization, the carbon-carbon pi bond of the vinyl group is broken, and a new carbon-carbon sigma bond is formed, attaching to the carbon of another styrene monomer to the chain. About a few thousand monomers typically comprised, a chain of polystyrene formed. Next, let us talk about properties of polystyrene. Polystyrene is a homopolymer which consists of identical monomer. Besides, it is also a thermoplastic polymer, where easily being softened when heating and will become rigid again when cooled. Polystyrene can be categorized into three types of tacticity, which are isotatic, where phenol group lies on same side, syndiotactic, phenyl group arranged in alternate manner, and atactic, phenyl group are randomly distributed on both sides of the polymer chain. Polystyrene is very useful in our daily life. It can be either solid or foamed. Solid and film polystyrene, basically used in rigid food cutlery, CD cases, whereas polystyrene foams, known as expanded polystyrene or extruded polystyrene, that more than 95% air, and is widely used in building insulation and food packaging, such as styrofoam to protect against damage or spoilage. Like many plastics, polystyrene is abundant as a form of litter in the outdoor environment. In the United States, there are about 30% of the landfill volume containing polystyrene. Yet, the production of polystyrene poses a widespread threat to the ecosystems. As foamed polystyrene leaches toxins into the ocean, even some animals mistake small bits of styrofoam for food, which causes them to die of malnutrition. To reduce and eliminate any landfill or waste costs, there are some eco-friendly ways to dispose polystyrene, which are incineration, reuse, and recycle. Incineration of polystyrene produces carbon dioxide and water because of its petroleum content. It burns at a very high temperature. As a result, it contributes to global warming. Another problem with incineration is that burning of polystyrene release the heavy metals cadmium and lead, both of which are toxic. Expanded polystyrene is 100% recyclable. Firstly, waste polystyrene is collected. Then, it will be reduced via EPS compactor. After volume reduction, waste polystyrene will be shipped to recycling company to do pelleting. Finally, it will be then reused to make new products such as picture frames. Unfortunately, there is generally no viable way of recycling it globally, as it is difficult to collect waste polystyrene. Polystyrene can be reused. It can be used as drainage in the base of plant pots. Thus we can save money on gardening supplies by adding pieces of polystyrene to the bottom of pots. Besides, polystyrene can be dissolved into a simple household glue for crafts by using liquid acetone. Next, polystyrene sheets are great to cover and insulate garage windows during the wind. Yet, food packaging polystyrene cannot be reused. There is another more eco-friendly options to replace polystyrene. The latest creations is a material called mycocomposite, a mushroom-based packaging material. It is entirely natural and compostable, so much so it can be grown in a controlled environment in a week and takes just 30 days to decompose. It also can be reused if kept dry. Another alternative is PLA, polylactide, a bioplastic derived from lactic acid, made from renewable materials. In a nutshell, going green has become increasingly trendy throughout the nation, since recycle and reuse of the polystyrene doesn't help much for our environment. Hence, polystyrene should be banned and replace it with plastic or mycocomposite, which are more eco-friendly. Earth is the only planet to have life. So, we have the responsibility to save the Earth.